excited today as we recognize the people in the hospitality industry. This is the Lilizela Award, where we appreciate the people that are putting us in the map out there in the tourism industry in various sectors, be they it's arts and crafts, be they in the tourism destination, hospitality industry, accommodation, in everything that has got to do with marketing our destination, KZN. They are being recognized here today.
Again, this was a proud moment for KZN. We congratulate all the contestants, all the winners who made it into the Lilizela Awards. Basically, today or this evening was about recognizing the excellence in the tourism industry, especially in KZN. We observed diversity of the winners and also their commitment and also how they've profiled and elevated our province.
But also we wish to thank everybody who participated and also congratulate all the winners here tonight and wish them all the luck as they go to the national awards. We know they're going to do us proud by winning all those national awards. And once more, Lilizela, KZN, congratulations everybody.